Yes, this is simply how you can connect an intermediate, how you can connect this type of intermediate switch. This is Haga. You know, intermediate switches in the market, we only get intermediate switches with 4 terminals. But now when you come to this type, this Haga, you realize that it has the L1, L2, and the common. The other side also it has the L1, L2, and the common. And remember, you're going to have the L1, L2 from the first one gang two-way switch. Then also you're going to have the L1, L2 from the second one gang two-way switch. Now, where are you going to connect this L1 and L2? Also, where are you going to connect this L1 and L2? Onto this intermediate switch. This intermediate switch that has 6 terminals. There's some small science. The first intermediate, the first one gang two-way switch, it has the L1 and L2. Any of the L1, any of the L2 you put into the input. When you see this side here, when you see this black cable, that black cable I'm pointing with, the tester, that is the first cable from the intermediate. Now from this side of the intermediate, which is the output, that is where you're going to connect the rest of the cable, the L1, L2 from the second switch, then also any of the one remaining from the first switch, you connect them here. Remember, the first switch you will connect it to the commons of to the commons of the intermediate, the L1 from the first switch, then the L2 from the first switch will go to the commons of the intermediate. Then the L1, L2 from the second switch will now go to the output part of an intermediate switch, and simply your circuit will work. When you test it on power, this will be your lamp holder. Here will be your supply cable, then here will be your bulb. When you power this, it will work perfectly, unless if you get other intermediate switches that are direct with only 4 terminals. Also the connection is just simple, the input and the output. Thank you.